Namaste. Yesterday, we talked about rebuilding self-trust by continuously showing up for our yoga practice, no matter what. But of course, there will be moments where we're tired, exhausted, drained, and it becomes so tempting to postpone our practice for another day when we'll feel better and have more energy. But don't let perfect be the enemy of good. You're not perfect, and neither am I or anybody else. We all have days where we're full of drive and energy, and it's easy to tick off our to-do list. And we all have days where we just want to stay in bed, eat pizza, and watch Netflix. And that's okay. The thing is, we want to show up anyways. On a day where you're feeling low, you don't have to practice every single posture, go through every single chaturanga, and push yourself to your limits. The only thing that matters is that you show up. Even if you just roll out your mat and then spend the entire class in Shavasana or Child's Pose, that's totally fine, as long as you show up for your practice. The same thing applies to these videos. It doesn't matter whether you're taking hundreds of notes for each and every video. What matters is that you show up and you prove to yourself, I made a commitment and I'm going to show up for it every single day. So this video is an invitation for you to stop striving for perfection. Because if we have this expectation that we have to be perfect all the time, we're just standing in our own way. And we're bound to be disappointed. What is so much more important than perfection is consistency. Having one perfect 2-hour yoga class a week is not going to be as beneficial as having 30 minutes or even just 10 minutes of imperfect yoga every single day. By practicing daily, or at least as much as you can, even when you're not feeling perfect and full of energy, you're going to feel the benefits so much more in your life. On that note, I hope you enjoyed today's yoga practice. No matter if you're feeling perfectly ready, just show up. And who knows, this class might be exactly what you need today. I'm looking forward to seeing you again tomorrow for our next habit building tip.